To have you in today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So why don't you tell me, give our audience and myself a little bit of background on yourself, where you came from.
Three times.
Wow.
Not once, twice, but thrice. Picked up a civil engineering degree while I was there, architectural degree, and have a B. certified already.
So you've got all three industry-specific designations,
yes,
right?
Yes, I do.
And so do you?
A real close look at it and say, okay, this is the condition of this home, and they set up a standard. And I think that's what's really good about any. In the certifications, because I think for any realtor or any homeowner, you need somebody that really knows what they're doing. And it did everything from framing to batten strips to roofing to flooring, you name it. Practically the entire house framed it totally up.
So you're out there.
You know, the flooring and the framing, laying it out and doing the roofing and the batten strips, the finished products, the windows. And it was kind of nice to do 50 homes doing a lot of green materials are being introduced into society too,
Right.
which is quite nice. So yes, I do see a lot of difference between the homes, even the designs. like doing, and I really like helping people, and I like the residential side house. I'm not really crazy about commercial. I like the
Right,
residential because it is the most
science out there as far as when things are, maybe you find something that's a little bit unsettling to some
not going
people.
so well.
Yeah.
Perspective, some buyers don't really care. They want the home, they fell in love with the home. You don't want to lose that. You just want to tell them, well, this is the type of home you're going to
You talked about
My
doing
company does a home maintenance inspection. That's for anybody. It's any Johnny homeowner that wants to say, well, what condition is my home in? Because I am convinced I pay for the inspection themselves, and I go through, well, look, why don't you fix this first, fix this first, to make it more appealing to the client, the new client that they're trying to buy.
later.
Exactly.
Because you're going to renegotiate. You do some stuff with new construction inspections
New
too?
construction now, we don't use in the standards in new homes have just as many problems as older homes.
Yeah. How about these energy audits? You said you're becoming certified and doing a new.
That's brand. I'm actually house working as a system, because a house is a system. How's it working to make sure it has cost savings to you? major crack, I don't know anything about it. So it covers a lot of different things, and there's a whole list of things it does cover. I give that to the actual homeowner that's buying reason, and I want to make sure that we're both protected and anything happens with this particular property, that if we miss something, and I don't want to miss anything.
So any
Home in the future.
Yeah, well, you got a great demeanor. I love your E&O. I love the free 90-day warranty. If they want to get a hold on our next edition of Smart Office Network TV. Until then, wishing all of our members fabulous success out there in the real estate market.